Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best book bag for teens, the abshoo Big Student Laptop Backpack. Whether you're a college student, a high schooler, or just someone who needs a reliable, spacious backpack for everyday use, this backpack is designed to meet your needs with style and functionality. Right off the bat, this backpack impresses with its size and durability. Measuring 17.8 by 7.5 by 13.8 inches, it's big enough to carry all your essentials without feeling bulky. The material is a durable, water-resistant Oxford fabric, which means it can handle a bit of rain or accidental spills with ease. This feature alone makes it a practical choice for students who are always on the move. One of the standout features of this backpack is its storage capacity. It has a dedicated laptop compartment that fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, which covers most laptops used by students today. Beyond that, the main compartments offer ample space for books, notebooks, clothes, and all those little accessories like chargers, stationery, and even Kindle devices. The organization is taken a step further with a multi-pocket design, making it easy to keep everything neat and accessible. Comfort is also a priority here. The backpack comes with breathable, adjustable shoulder straps that help relieve shoulder pressure. This is a big plus for students carrying heavy textbooks or laptops, as it reduces discomfort during long days. Additionally, there's a well-knit luggage belt on the back, allowing you to secure the backpack onto the handle of a rolling suitcase. This makes traveling with the backpack convenient and hassle-free. Durability isn't just about the fabric and design. The backpack also features sturdy zippers and reinforced stitching, built to withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, the brand backs this backpack with a 12-month warranty, which shows confidence in the quality and offers peace of mind for buyers. Visually, the backpack is sleek and modern, with a look that appeals to teens and young adults alike. It comes in classic black and other stylish color options, making it versatile enough to match any outfit or personal style. In summary, the abshoo Big Student Laptop Backpack combines spaciousness, durability, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for students and anyone who needs a reliable daily backpack. Its water-resistant fabric, multiple compartments, and travel-friendly features set it apart as one of the best backpacks on the market for teens. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.